Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it's currently 10 a.m. and I had my breakfast, took a shower, and today I'm shooting this video which is kind of a vlog. So this is going to be a productive day in my life kind of vlog, and I know I'm uploading a video after so long time, and last time I uploaded the video was like 1 month ago, and after 1 month I'm back with a video. So I hope you will enjoy watching today's video. And why I was inactive for 1 month, the reason is so simple, only because of my board exam. So my board exams got over on 23rd, and I had my last exam of computer applications on 23rd, and on 25th I'm shooting a vlog today. So yeah, that's that. Also, in case if you're new to my channel, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So from now onwards, I'll try to be more active on my YouTube channel. So first of all, I'm gonna go out with my mom, and obviously I'll take you guys along with me. So basically this vlog is going to start with an outing. So yeah, let's just go. And it's been some time since I came back home. So a few days back I received these packages from Sugar Cosmetics. So I'm gonna show you. By the way, I'm also gonna shoot shots on these packages. It's not a sponsored video, by the way, but let me just show you what's inside these boxes in depth. So it's going to be unboxing video, although I have already unboxed the packages. Let me just show you what all have I got. So first is this one, which is the smaller box, and in this we have this very cute pretty pouch. It's in neon color, and in the front we have the logo of Sugar. So there are two sunscreen in this. As you all know, it's summertime, so obviously we need sunscreen. So I ordered these sunscreens from them, and it's in two shades. This is the first shade, and the second one is this shade. So in two shades I ordered these. And what I actually loved the most is this very cute neon pouch. Definitely loved it. The next package I got is this one, which is the very huge box. I have this box, the smaller box inside the bigger box. Here it is written Sugar, and in this box we have the primer. As you can see, it's written over here, the primer. And we have three shades over here. So this is what I ordered, the three shades. Now let's go ahead and shoot videos on these products as well, and you'll get to see the shots on these products very soon. I'm going to be uploading the shots as well from now onwards. So that's that. Hi guys, so as I'm free and I don't have much work to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and do journaling. Also, the title of the video says productive day in my life, so I think journaling is a task that you can do when you want to make your day productive. Also, I'm feeling really bored, so definitely I'm gonna go ahead and do journaling. And I got so many stationery related items from Stationery Pal. That was like 7 to 8 months back, but I didn't actually use those products much because I was having my board exams. Also, I didn't get any time to actually use those items. But finally, as my board exams are over and I have plenty of time, so I'm gonna do journaling and also gonna use those products. And when I received those stationery items, I also made a haul of that 7 to 8 months back. So in case you missed that video, then you can watch the video where I have shown the stationery haul from the Stationery Pal. The link will be in the description box. You can go ahead and watch the video. It's really interesting. Let's go ahead and do journaling. Hi guys, so midway between the video, I want to introduce with the handbags that I really like, and all these bags are from Zook. Zook makes 100% vegan bags that are cruelty free, and the best thing about them is that they make bags that are proudly Indian, so it's an Indian brand. So the first bag that I ordered from them is this one, which is in the design Royal Green Mogra print. It has vegan leather, as you can see. It has straps made of vegan leather. Also, the base is also made of vegan leather, and there is a chain at the back of this bag, and in the front it is written Zook over here. And when I open the chain, which is here, and you can see that there is a considerable space inside the bag. You can keep your laptop, you can keep all the things that you want, like journal, diary, or AirPods, everything that you want. And then we have the another bag, which is this one, and it's from the category of Sling Bags, and the design, we call it as Covil blue design, so it is something that I really like. And then it has a metallic chain over here, and when we open it, the best thing is, again, the space is amazing. It has considerable space, and again, the straps are vegan, and it also has a chain at the back, just as this one. So you can also keep your AirPods or your small wallet, your money, whatever you want to keep in this small pocket. Let's move on to the next category, which is the wallet category. So this is the wallet, and it's in the honeycomb design, and this is how the design and the pattern of this wallet is. So we have a metallic chain over here, so I'm going to open it and show you the space inside it. So this is the space. Again, it is very spacious, and in this pocket you can keep your coins and all that. So in the front you will get a logo of Zook written over here, so that's really good. Links of all these bags will be in the description box. You can even use my coupon code for 15% discount, which is YT Bhavika 15. So yeah, so I'm here in the kitchen to make the coffee, and in summertime I really love making coffee. Also, I love to make the strong coffee usually. So guys, it's the next day, and today I'm here to end this vlog because I wasn't able to end this yesterday. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you made it till here, then comment these emojis. Also, do let me know what you think of this video, and if you have any video ideas for the upcoming videos, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you next time. Bye.